Hello friends, myself Dr. Vaishali Panchavate, Tinkhede, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology. Today we discussed about the very interesting topic in this lecture, that is chromosomal mutation. So first of all we discussed about what is chromosome. So chromosome is a thread-like structure of DNA that carries gene, that is X and Y gene. So this X or Y gene that determines whether you will be a boy or girl is an example of this chromosome. Then chromosomes are divided into two parts, that is we also called as the P and Q arm with a construction point called a centromere in the middle. So this centromere can be located in different positions, and this form the basis for the four different classes of chromosome. That is, first is the metacentric type of chromosome, submetacentric type of chromosome, then acrocentric chromosome, and fourth is the telocentric type of chromosome. So we discussed one by one. So we see the types of chromosome by the location of the chromosome. So first type is the metacentric. So in this metacentric type, so centromere is in middle. In the see the first diagram of this metacentric type of chromosome. So in this centromere is in middle, meaning P and Q arms are of comparable length, and chromosome number 1, 3, 16, 19 and 20 are the examples of this metacentric type of chromosome. Then second one is the submetacentric. So in this diagram, centromere of center leading to short P arm relative to Q arm, and chromosome number 2, 4, 17, 18 are the example of this submetacentric type of chromosome. Then third one is the acrocentric type of chromosome. Then in acrocentric type, centromere severely offset from center and leading to much shorter P arm. And chromosome number 13, 21, 22 are the example of this acrocentric type of chromosome. And the last is the telocentric. Last one is the telocentric type of chromosome. In this telocentric, centromere found at end of chromosome, meaning no P arm exists. So this type of chromosome is not found in the human. Okay, so this is all about the types of chromosome by the location of the centromere. Then next is the what is chromosomal mutation. So chromosomal mutation is any change or error that occurs within the chromosome. Such errors can be contributed to be any mistake or problems that occurs during cell processes like mitosis and meiosis. So unlike gene mutation that involves the alternation of gene or segment of DNA in the chromosome, so chromosomal mutation occurs and change the entirety of the chromosome itself. So there are three types of chromosomal mutation. First is the mutation on the structure of chromosome, mutation on the chromosome number, and mutation on sex chromosome. So we discussed this one by one. So first is the structural chromosomal mutation. So this kind of chromosomal mutation again usually occurs during any error in cell division. So this happens when homologous chromosomes paired up. When homologous chromosome paired up, so gene in chromosomes break apart, gene inserted in the wrong chromosome, or genes or set of genes are completely lost in the chromosome. So basically the structural chromosomal mutation are classified into four types. First is the deletion, second is the duplication, then third is the inversion, and fourth is the translocation. So First is the deletion. So see the diagram of this deletion chromosome, duplication type of chromosome, inversion type of duplication type of chromosomal mutation, and reciprocal translocation. So in this is the types of chromosomal mutation, that is deletion, duplication, inversion, and the translocation. So in these types of mutation, at first we see the deletion. So in deletion, loss of part of chromosome, that is nothing but a deletion. Simple way or simple definition of deletion is loss of part of chromosome is known as the deletion. Then in duplication, what happen? Extra copy made up of part of chromosome is known as the duplication. And third is the inversion. Inversion means reverse direction of part of chromosome. And translocation means in what happened in this translocation? In this translocation, part of one chromosome attached to the another chromosome. In translocation, part of one chromosome attached to the another chromosome. So in deletion, this type of mutation occurs when a part of DNA is not duplicated or is lost during DNA replication. The size of this region can either be a mere nucleotide or can be large as an entire chromosome. Then next is the disorder due to this deletion. So common disorder due to deletion mutation in humans are Cray-Duchat disease and DiGeorge syndrome. So this is the in this diagram we see the first is the A, this is the original chromosome A, B, C and D, E, F. So here B chromosome is here deleted. A, C and D, E, F is present, but B number of chromosome is deleted here. So this is the deletion type of chromosome. Then next is the duplication type of chromosomal mutation. Then in this type of mutation occurs when an extra copy of region in the DNA is produced. So this duplicated region can either be located in its normal location in the chromosome or sometimes be located in the other part of the chromosomes or even in another chromosome. So this duplication can now supply additional material that has the ability to involve new function. And the common disorder due to duplication of mutation in human is Charcot-Marie tooth disease. This is a type of tooth disease. Then third is the inversion type of mutation. Then during inversion, a portion in the chromosome is reversed and gets inserted back into the chromosome. Basically, two types of inversion, that is pericentric and paracentric. So during a pericentric inversion, the inversion encompasses the centromere of the chromosome. On the other hand, during a paracentric inversion, it only involves either the short or long arm of the chromosome, and the inversion point does not include the centromere. And again, the common disorder due to this inversion is the mutation in human. So amniocentesis during pregnancy in pregnant woman, due to this inversion there is a chances of amniocentesis during the pregnancy. So this is the about the inversion type of mutation. Then last is the number 4 is the translocation type. In translocation happens when a fragmented chromosomes tend to join with a non-homologous chromosome. These newly formed segments then detach from the chromosome and moves to a new position on another chromosome. And again, the disorder due to this translocation. So common disorder due to this translocation mutation in humans are XX male syndrome or Down syndrome and infertility and cancer. So this is all about the translocation. Then next point is the chromosomal number mutation. In first, generally this chromosomal number mutation is divided into again two types, aneuploidy and the polyploidy. So having missing or extra chromosome is a condition called aneuploidy. So the risk of having a child with an aneuploidy increases a woman ages. So trisomy is the most common aneuploidy. In trisomy there is an extra chromosome. A common trisomy is Down syndrome, means trisomy also called as the trisomy 21. So other trisomies include Patau syndrome, that is to be called as the trisomy 13, and Edwards syndrome, and we also called as the trisomy 18. So monosomy is another type of aneuploidy in which there is a missing chromosome. A common monosomy is Turner syndrome, in which a female has a missing or damaged X chromosome. So this is all about the aneuploidy. Means aneuploidy means what we say in aneuploidy is any chromosome number that is not euploid. Is what is aneuploidy is any chromosome number that is not euploid. So aneuploidy is an abnormal number of chromosomes, such as having a single extra chromosome, that is 47, or missing chromosome, that is 45. एक्स्ट्रा क्रोमोसोम अगर है तो वो 47 और मिसिंग क्रोमोसोम इज दी 45. So aneuploidy karyotypes are given names with the rather than suffixomy, means rather than polyploidy, used for euploid karyotypes such as trisomy and monosomy. Then the Down syndrome. In Down syndrome is the best example of this aneuploidic condition. In Down syndrome, 21 number of chromosome. In this 21 number of chromosome, there is an addition of extra X chromosome, and here the condition which is the disease due to this extra addition of this chromosome is known as the Down syndrome. Then next is the polyploidy. Then polyploidy is the heritable condition of possessing more than two complete sets of chromosomes. Polyploids are common among plants as well as among certain group of fish and amphibians. For instance, some salamanders, frogs and leeches are polyploids. Then example in animals are more common in non-vertebrates such as flatworms, leeches and brine shrimps. So within vertebrates, example of stable polyploid include the salamonids and many cyprinids, that is we also call as the carp. Some fish have as many as 400 chromosomes. So this is the difference between the polyploids and the aneuploids. So what happen in polyploids? In polyploids, many organisms have more than two sets of homologous chromosomes and are called polyploids. In polyploids, many organisms have more than two sets of homologous chromosomes and are called as polyploids. So a chromosome number that is multiple of haploid number of 23 other than the diploid number, that is 69. This example is the 69. So true polyploidy rarely occurs in human, although it occurs in some tissues, especially in liver. So this is all about the aneuploidy and the polyploidy. So Down syndrome. See here, Down syndrome is the best example of this aneuploidy condition. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much.